Hello there, science enthusiasts. I'm Miss Kathy, your guide through the fascinating world of precision measurements. Ever wondered how to use an analytical balance? Its precision can be intimidating, but don't worry. Today, we're going to demystify this essential scientific tool, breaking down the process into simple, easy to follow steps. So grab your lab coat and let's get started. Ever pondered the right way to use an analytical balance? Its precision can seem daunting, but fear not. Today we unravel the mystery behind this essential scientific tool, breaking down the process into simple, manageable steps. First things first, every good scientist knows the importance of a clean work environment. The same applies to the analytical balance. Before every use, ensure it's spotless. Gently wipe the balance pan, the exterior, and the surrounding area with a soft, lint-free cloth to eliminate any dust or debris. Remember, even a speck of dust can throw off your measurements. Next, it's time to zero the balance. This step is vital to ensure accurate measurements. Simply press the tare or zero button and wait for the display to read 0. It's important to note that the balance should be on a stable surface, free from drafts or vibrations. Now comes the fun part, weighing your sample. But don't rush in. Always handle your sample with clean, dry tweezers to avoid adding extra weight. Place your sample gently on the center of the balance pan. Close the balance door and wait for the reading to stabilize. It's a game of patience, but precision is the name of the game. Once you have the stable reading, it's time to record your results. Always note down the full reading from the balance. In science, every decimal point matters. And remember to include the correct units. After you've successfully recorded your weight, it's time to remove the sample. Again, use your tweezers to carefully lift the sample from the balance pan. After every use, it's crucial to clean the balance. Repeat the initial cleaning process, making sure to remove any sample residue. After all, we don't want yesterday's sample interfering with today's experiment, do we? That's it. It might seem like a lot, but with practice, using an analytical balance will become second nature. So what did we learn today? Always start and end with a clean balance. Handle your samples with care to avoid contamination. Be patient and wait for the reading to stabilize. And always record your results accurately. Remember, the analytical balance is a powerful tool, capable of measuring with incredible precision. So treat it with respect, keep it clean, and you'll be rewarded with accurate, reliable results. And that, friends, is the art of using an analytical balance. It's a dance of precision and patience. But when performed correctly, it's a thing of beauty. So go forth and weigh with confidence. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and always strive for accuracy. After all, that's what makes a great scientist. Until next time, keep the scales balanced and your data precise.